Want to find some sound effects for a tutorial video or an e-learning course? Great! In the Idle Courses Academy, we have a whole section dedicated to resources like this. In this video, though, we'll share some of the best places to go download free sound effects. Before we start, we should mention copyrights. While these websites allow you to download their sound effects without charge, they may require you to attribute them in any asset you use their content. Make sure to check the terms and conditions. Anyway, you ready? I have already searched for a random keyword, clap, on each website to give you a better insight of what they offer. Let's start with Mixkit.co. They have a great selection of sound effects and you don't even need an account to download them. Similarly, not requiring an account is the BBC Rewind website, and they have an equally great collection. Next, freesound.org, another great website with plenty of options, and downloading is really easy once you've logged in. freesfx.co.uk similarly has a vast library of sound effects. Again, you would need to create a free account. Zapslat is also a great resource, and they even have free sound effect packs. This is our top 5. As a bonus, we want to mention MediaCollege.com. Their website is slightly less intuitive, and you can't search for specific sounds, but many of their sounds are in the public domain, so you can use them without restrictions. And that's it. You can find the links to these websites in the description. If you want to know more about Idle Courses or the Idle Courses Academy, subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow us on social media, or visit our website. Links are in the description.